Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to knit this 3D ribbing pattern. You can use this pattern in any project like ladies sweaters, cardigans, shawls, baby blanket, gents sweater, and also in caps and jackets. From back side this pattern looks like this, and from front side it looks like this. If you see, this pattern gives 3D effect, and this is very simple, only 4 rows repeat pattern. So let us start to knit this pattern. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 6 stitches plus 1 stitch to complete the pattern and 2 stitches for edge. This is only 4 rows repeat pattern. This is our base row. For base row, slip first stitch and then purl 1 and knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2, again purl 1. Repeat these 6 stitches till the end of the row, and in the end purl 1 stitch and then purl edge stitch. Here we have completed our base row. Now it's our first row. For first row, slip first stitch. This is our right side of the pattern, and then knit 1 stitch below the row, one stitch below. After that purl 2 stitches, and then make 3 stitches out of 1 stitch. First loop stitch and then yarn over, and again same stitch from front loop. Here we have made 3 stitches of 1 knit stitch. Now purl 2 stitches. This is our repeat pattern. 1 stitch below, knit 1 stitch below, and then purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and now make 3 stitches out of this knit stitch. First take loop stitch and then yarn over and knit same stitch. Here we have made 3 stitches out of 1 stitch, and then purl 2 stitches and last stitch below 1 stitch, and at the end edge stitch we should knit it purlwise. Here we have completed our first row. Now from back side it is our second row. For second row, slip first stitch and then purl 1 stitch, and now knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Here we have to purl 3 stitches which already we have made from 1 stitch. We have to purl these 3 stitches separately. 1, 2 and 3. Now knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Here we have completed our repeat pattern. Again second repeat, purl 1, knit 2 stitches, and now purl 3 stitches separately. From earlier we have made 3 stitches of 1 stitch. Again knit 2 stitches, and last stitch purl, and at the end edge stitch purl it. Here we have completed our second row. Now let us begin our third row. For third row, slip first stitch and then 1 stitch below the row, knit 1 stitch below, and then purl 1 stitch. Now knit 2 stitches together, so we will get 3D effect here, and then knit 1 stitch, and now again knit 2 stitches together. First we have to slip 1 stitch and then knit second and pass slip stitch over knit stitch. Now purl 1 stitch. Here we have completed our first repeat pattern. Second repeat, knit 1 stitch below and then purl 1 stitch. Again knit 2 stitches together, and then knit 1 stitch, and now slip first stitch knitwise and then knit next stitch and pass slip stitch over knit stitch, and now purl 1. Here we have completed our second repeat pattern. Now last stitch, knit 1 stitch below and then purl edge stitch. Here we have completed our third row. Now last row of the pattern, slip first stitch and then purl 1 stitch and then knit 1 stitch. Now purl 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, and 6th stitch knit it. Now our second repeat, purl 1 stitch and then knit 1 stitch, and after that purl 3 stitches, again knit 1 stitch. Here our second repeat pattern is over. Now purl last stitch and again purl edge stitch. Here we have completed our 4 row. Repeat these 4 rows over and over until you reach your desired length. After few repeats, our pattern will look like this. So friends, if you like my video, then don't forget to like and share it. If you are visiting to my channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So bye friends, till next video.